What is up, guys? Your boy's back with another video. Right now we're about to head to Harbor Freight. Right now we're about to head to Harbor Freight real quick since I need a I can't talk right now. Right now we're about to head to Harbor Freight real quick because I need a center punch for the install we're about to do today. I got new pedals for the 240, so let's get this center punch, guys. Let's get this video started. As I showed you guys in the previous video, these are the pedals that I will be installing on the car. Mounts to the side step right there, the clutch pedal, the brake pedal, and also the gas pedal. So the tools you're going to be needing for this is center punch, inexpensive at Harbor Freight, like $4, 1/16 drill bit, and also a 3/16 drill bit with the drill, and of course some masking tape if you guys want to be clean. And yeah, first things you guys want to do is take out the rubber piece. It clips onto the back. Way easier when they did it on YouTube. Yes. Fuck. So the only one that doesn't have a rubber protective coating on the pedal is the gas pedal. Damn, I need to fix that. That's weird. The clutch and brake pedal usually do have a cover on it that you can easily take off. Easily. So once you get the rubber cover off, you want to place it like this and use a center punch and mark 3 holes on the pedal itself so you could drill easily. So once you use your center punch on the pedal, you want to get a 1/16 drill bit and drill holes on the pedal, and then use your 3/16 drill bit to drill the hole bigger. So got the first holes drilled out. Sweet. Got the second bit in, and now time to mount these. The clutch and brake pedal are basically the same size, so you just do the same thing, same exact thing on the clutch and brake pedal. For this one, it was totally fine. I got 3 bolts in, but then for the brake pedal, I'm not gonna be able to put the third one on or the middle one on since it's sitting. If I drill through this, it's basically breaking the connection between the pedal and the actual assembly itself. So I got the clutch and brake pedal in. Like I said, I wasn't gonna use the middle screw because I don't want to drill through this, connecting the pedal to itself. The only difference between the gas pedal and also the little stepping thing right here is you're using self-tapping screws to secure it. You're still going to be using the 1/16 drill bit to make pilot holes, but other than that, it's just using this self-tapping screw besides the Allen key bolt to secure it. So if you guys are liking the pedals right now, give me a thumbs up. It's pretty cool. Definitely way cleaner and better than the OEM ones, the OEM rubber covers. the pedals are in, including the side step, definitely makes a big ass difference, boys. Another suggestion while you're doing this or you're bolting these in is use Loctite, just to add extra security. You guys ready? Ready to see it? I am. Let's do this. Are installed, time to test drive this thing. Right music. Just test drove the car. Feels so good. I just gotta be careful because the gas pedal and the brake pedal are a little bit closer now since the gas pedal is a little bit longer or the width is wider. Car runs great. Pedals look great. Only problem is it smells like gas up in here. I think in a couple weeks I'm gonna be receiving my interior stuff. I'm gonna be changing out the headliner and also the side panels. I mean, they don't look that bad, but they kind of look janky to me and I want to replace them with something else. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, if you guys can hear my fans going off, because my fans are fucking hella loud. They work really well. They definitely do the job of cooling your car down. I ordered it from Juku Racing, so you guys can go ahead and head to their page. Before I actually head out, I'm gonna slap this carbon fiber frame on. Give it to me by D-Wing, so thanks, brother. Sick. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to help me out, your boy. Hope you guys like the pedals. Feel great, car runs great. Stay tuned for a lot more content. Have a great day, have a great week. Stay safe, y'all. Deuces.